Hi, I'm Dr. Carlson from the Grove Animal Hospital and Holistic Center, and we're talking about 00770 case number for IHT analysis. This particular patient is about 12 years old and has had a history of adrenal and endocrine problems. And if we look at what that's associated with in this diagram, the heart is responsible for circulation, but it also helps circulate adrenal hormones, thyroid hormones, and certainly part of the lymphatic system, in which here we call it the triple warmer. The weakness was lymphatic control and lymphatics that drain the ears. So if that's stagnant, if we have poor circulation, then the immune system is going to get revved up and create an inflammatory response. So we're going to have an effect on the GI tract, which we had fatty tissue build up. Also down here with the skin and the immune system, we'll have fatty tissue absorbing some of those toxins that are being produced by lack of circulation up here. We see that allergies were also implicated in this testing, which I'll show you shortly, is that can be a tipping point for if we have this set up to create inflammation. All it takes is one more thing and then we get the whole immune system revved up. So let's take a look at it as a whole. Down here on the weak side we have stomach, we have the adrenal, which is represented by TW1, and the lymphatic control, which is represented by L112. So if these are weak, this is chronic inflammation. And if we look back to the comparative analysis in response to that, we can see that in the beginning, which was back in April of 2014, Chloe was pretty well balanced. And now we see that over time, this patient has developed these stresses and chronic weaknesses over the past year or year and a half. So at least we're ahead of it, and we know, okay, we were at least balanced as of April 2014, and then we start to see the changes here. All right, so what are we going to do? Well, first of all, we have to rebalance the weak areas and the stressed areas. So that's number one. We're going to use a product called DrainPar. DrainPar is going to be focused infused, and it's a custom infusion for this patient to rebalance these numbers, because until she's conditioned, we really can't get her immune system and get her body feeling better. We know that she could do it back in 2014, so we just got to get her back there. She's 12 years old, so there's an age-related factor with this as well, but at the same time, if we can control the pattern and get her feeling better, even a 12-year-old dog can feel much better than they were before.